big, what she used to be, what she used to be, what she used to be. No gray mare did what she used to be many long years ago. Oh, many long years ago. Oh, many long years ago. Oh, the old gray mare did what she used to be, used to be, what she used to be. The old gray mare did what she used to be many long years ago. Get going. Thanks, pal. Thanks a million. Hey, copper, how about a driver's license? Hey, you, how's about a license?
Well, what do you want?
I want to get a driver's license.
Just a minute, buddy. First, you gotta take a test. Read that chart.
I can't see a thing.
Now, can you read it?
I can't see a thing.
Oh, you can't, eh? Can you read this?
I can't see a thing.
Can you read it now?
I can't see a thing.
I'll bet you can read it now. Now, I'm gonna test your reflexes.
I broke my little hand.
Now we'll see what you know about driving. Give the arm signal for a right turn. Now, a left turn. Now, back up.
Say, I've changed my mind. I want a pilot's license.